Sublimation is a new territory to explore. As my name is Elizabeth Quest, we will start our own quest to sublimation world where anything is possible. Not only can it capture your imagination, but also can actually create you money. We have 3 tasks to create in this journey to arrive to our I get this, why this is real cool. Stop. Do 3 things. We're going to use sublimation markers to create our design for coasters, keychains, and a magnet that I have. So we're going to print out sublimation design and we're going to also use that and see which one it's better. And we're going to use our heat press to create all of that. So those are 3 tasks that we're going to create in this video today to our quest through the sublimation world. Would you want to see this? Well, if you want to have a family activity or even create gifts or even sell your design to create money, this is the right video for you. Not only can you use all those designs that I'm going to show you with different styles of designs, you can actually do your own designs and create them so you can sell them for Christmas, for other special holidays, or even to give away in birthdays or anything else. Let's begin our quest. First things first, open Cricut Design Space and get a circle. Then get a design that will fit inside the circle, which is the outline of the coaster design. We will make our design operations to be pen style. This way, we can use the sublimation color markers. We will do a design that will fit a circle for a coaster, a square for a magnet, and a rectangular for a keychain. I didn't show here, but later I'm actually made the change about this. This is a tip. Always when you have a writing like I show here, you will have to mirror it. If not, if you don't do that, the words will come out backwards. Now we need to get 3 more designs in order for us just to print and use the heat press to sublimate into our blanks. Once I'm printed, I cut the design individually and color the ones that need to be colored with the that's done, we then move on to the heat press. I had to look it up. What would the heat pressure be for these blanks? It said 385 degrees, a light pressure, 60 seconds, and did that, and we'll see our results. This is my first time doing sublimation blank. This is literally the first time of doing all this, and tell you the truth, I kind of enjoyed the whole process. It was pretty fun to see what I imagined and created into something of matter, something really cool that I can hold and see with my own two hands and with my own two eyes. It was pretty cool. I like the results of it. I know that the coasters actually come out really cool with the markers, but I did notice on the magnets and on the keychains, the printed version would be best, as it will look so much neat rather than using color markers on it. But it was pretty good. It was a great experience. I do recommend trying out if you have the ability to do so. And like I said, this is something that I just enjoyed really doing. I will be creating maybe Christmas gifts for this. This is my first time doing all this, and I'm just gonna be practicing until practice makes perfect. And so I hope you enjoyed the whole thing that I did with all these materials, but it was fun. I really enjoyed it, and we will see what we will create next. If you want to see what's our next quest, follow along. I don't know where this is going to take me, but I sure will find out next. See you on our next video.